Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my card sample, well one of my card samples for the Creative Craft Products Double the Background die collection. So I made the samples for this collection. I'm going to show you how to make two of the samples that I had done. So this is the first one and I think this is gorgeous, perfect for masking cards. And this one is the 5x7 Moroccan screen background die. So if you want to know how we made this, then let's get started. We're also using another Creative Craft product, and this is their Showstopper A2 Collectables die set. And then we're using Made to Surprise by Sam Callcott's Sentiments A5 stamp set. So we're going to start off with the card base, and I've got two separate pieces of card here. So you'll need one piece that measures 5x7. and your second piece measures 5.5 by 7, and along the 5.5 inch side you will score at 1/2 inch, and then we will stick them together to make your 5x7 card base. Then you're going to need a piece of white card and some acetate, and these both measure 4 7/8 by 6 7/8. You're going to need 2 squares. So these two, I actually used the Showstopper die set. So I've cut one in blue and one in white. Now if you don't have that die set or you don't have square dies, you can just cut them with your paper trimmer. So the measurements for that, if you don't have the dies, so the blue one is 3 by 3 inches and the white one is 2 5/8 by 2 5/8. You'll also need piece of patterned paper, and this also measures 4 7/8 by 6 7/8. So we're going to start off with our white piece of card, which is the one that's going to go on top of the blue one, and we're going to get our Moroccan die, and I'm lining up these points here with the edge of the card, and I want to try and get the spacing at the top and bottom about the same. And then once I'm happy, I'm going to run that through my die cutting machine. So then it will look like this, and it will look a bit strange at the minute. Then we're going to get our acetate and we're going to glue that on to the back. Now we're going to attach this to our patterned paper, and then we're going to attach all this to our card base. Then I've cut a very thin strip of white card and I've added adhesive to the back, and that's going to get glued on there. So I'm just lining it up with that white card, so then it looks like it has that edge of the card back in. We need to die cut out these sections so they will slot back in there. So I have die cut 3 of these, and I just laid this one onto some white card, and then I added the outline around it and ran that through my die cutter machine 3 times, and then that's what you will get. So I'm going to glue these 3 on top of each other just to give it a bit of dimension, and also I just think it looks really nice kind of lifted off the card. So I'm going to glue them together and then we can trim off the excess. We want to position this in there, just trim from this point to here. I'm just going to cut around. That should slot in there nicely, and we will get the nice edge along here. So I'm going to glue that into place, and we're going to come to our sentiment, and we're going to bring in our white piece of square card, and we're going to be stamping the big birthday wishes from the Made to Surprise stamp set. I've got it in my stamping platform ready. So I'm going to just place that on there, and I'm going to just reposition my stamp, and I'm going to pop it in the middle. But the way I'm going to position it on the card, I won't have it straight. I'm going to have it slightly angled. So I'm going to use my VersaFine black onyx ink to stamp that with. So I've added some foam tape to the back, and this one I'm going to keep straight, but this one I'm going to angle it. So I'm going to have it like that, and then we can bring our card base back in, and this one is going to get added just there. When you've die cut this out, you'll get loads of these pieces. So I've got a couple in white and a couple in blue, and I'm going to add the blue one on the front, but have the white one just offsetting the blue one. So I'm going to glue them together, and I've added some foam tape to the back of them, and I'm just simply going to add them near my sentiment. So I think I'm going to have one there like so, and then the other one towards the bottom left hand corner. So there we go, that is my card sample for the Creative Craft double the background 5x7 Moroccan screen die set. And you can see all my other card samples in my YouTube channel further down, and you can check out all the products that I have used as well, listed in the description bar below. So if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time guys, take care, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.